Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Tool Deals, where we upload amazing tool deals every day. So, today I've got two amazing deals for you. The first one is this headlamp. This one, if you know Milwaukee, their headlamps are real expensive. Okay, so this one is $40. It's on sale right now for $20. This headlight is water resistant and also has like a floodlight and also like a spotlight. Okay, they're really powerful. This one specifically uses three AAA batteries, and also it provides 450 lumens, which is a lot, especially for a spotlight. Okay, this one also it comes with like a really soft fabric inside that we can see it here in this picture that helps it so that it doesn't slide, and also it absorbs transpiration or humidity. And also, as you can see, also you can move it, you can flip it a little bit. This one is a really high quality headlight, and as I said, they're on the expensive side, but you know what you're getting with this. These are really, really high quality. You can buy some on Amazon or eBay. I've bought quite a few, and usually they feel cheap. You put them on, they feel cheap. But these ones, they feel really high quality. You know when you're using them. They feel completely different than anything else. Okay, so that was the first deal for you. Let me show you something before I forget. So this is the thing. Near me, they are sold out. Okay, so if I click here, it says that there are not any items available. Okay, so all the stores around me are sold out. But if we go here and we enter like a zip code from New York, for example, we click here and there are a bunch in stock. Okay, so it really depends on where you live. You might get lucky. Okay, so yeah, I don't guarantee that you're gonna find this deal is gonna be available where you live, but that's how deals are. Sometimes you get them, sometimes you don't. So yeah, that was the first deal. Let's go to the second one. Oh, and before we go to the second one, let me remind you that many of these deals, they are time-sensitive offers, and so the best option for you would be to subscribe with a little bell to this channel so that you never miss a deal. Okay, so whenever I upload a new deal, you get a notification. Okay, so let's go to the other deal. The other deal is this one. This is a Dewalt Atomic set. So if you don't know what the Atomic line is, it's a line that Dewalt came out with that it's pretty much the same tools that you've seen before, like the driver and the drill and all that, but these ones are a little bit smaller and lighter. Specifically this one, the driver, this one is not really smaller than the non-atomic one, for example, than the XR, but this one is definitely lighter. Okay, they are like 25% lighter. Both of these tools are brushless, and this one, the drill, is not hammer, just so you know. This one is considerably smaller than any other drill that you're gonna find, but it's not hammer. Okay, so these ones they're not as powerful as the XR line, for example, but they're convenient to carry. So this one comes with two small batteries. Each one of them is 1.3 amp hours. As you know, that's little. So this one's is not to take to work. These ones are if you want to have them around the house, or if you want to go to your neighbor and help them fix something specifically. It's not to run all day long with these tools, but they're really convenient to carry. They are really light and all that. So originally it was $229. Now let's see. You need to add them to cart first, so you can see the price. If you add them to cart, the total is $159. So it says $318 because I added it twice. But yeah, it's $159, and these ones are really good, really convenient. But personally, if you want something really powerful that is gonna last you like for really, really long, and you don't mind the size, I would get just the regular one, the regular size, the XR line, or maybe any other brand. But if you want something super convenient, super easy to carry, these ones are definitely it. And also you need to think that this is not the 12 volt line. Okay, this is the 20 volt line, which means that they are still going to be really powerful. They're just like smaller and lighter, but they are really, really powerful. Close to the XR line, but not exactly the same. Okay, these are like a little bit cheaper. Just so you know, also you can use exactly the same batteries, like the big batteries. You can use them with these tools, so it can last longer. Okay, so you don't need to stick with these batteries. It just comes with these two batteries, but you can use bigger batteries if you wanted to. Okay, so yeah, these are the deals for today. Please give this video a like so that you can help me keep growing this channel. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you tomorrow.